NetJets versus Flexjet. Let's start with NetJets. So NetJets is backed by Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. NetJets is a large private jet company in the world with over 60 years of experience and fractional ownership and aviation services. So what it offers is a huge fleet of over 700 aircraft across all categories. They also offer fractional ownership, lease, and jet card options. They also have an extremely high safety and pilot training standards, which has guaranteed aircraft availability within 4 to 10 hours, and they have a deep infrastructure, logistics, and flight planning network. The only downside is they has a high upfront buy-in cost, which is up to around $800,000. Now, FlexJet, on the other hand, is an offering direct competitor to NetJets, so it offers luxury private aviation with focus on personalized service and a more boutique experience. It provides fractional ownership, leasing, and jet card programs. It offers premium red label fleet with dedicated crew per craft, and then they also have fractional ownership with more flexible terms than NetJets. They also offer newer, stylish aircraft with custom interiors, and they have strong US and growing European presence, and they are personalized concierge-style service and fewer blackout dates. The only downside is they have smaller fleet than NetJets. So NetJets, if you go to, if you want scale, reliability, and global reach. And then FlexJet is the better choice if you want those personalized service, stylish interiors, and a more boutique experience.